What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another one of my videos, and this time I am not making a gaming video. I am doing a vlog, and this is Turtle Lover.
What's up, guys?
He's the one who comes up with the ideas, or he's the one who gives me the ideas for the titles of the episodes I make, since he's the one who knows them. And
sorry, guys, my hair is messy. I didn't.
yeah, it's only morning where I am. It was raining a minute ago. As you can tell.
It should be raining every day.
I'm not even sure if it is. But right now I'm at my grandmother's, not my house. As you can tell, there's the backyard. And basically right now we're just uploading a video.
Oh, guys, Merry Day After Christmas.
Yes, Merry Day After Christmas. It's finally came.
Should we show you everything we got?
If you want. I mean, right now I'm wearing one of the new shirts I got. It's a white tee.
So am I. I love my
It's
sweater.
a new sweater.
This is what I made.
This will probably be the only videos I'll be making that shows my face, which would be vlogs. So yeah, that's my uncle's room right over there. This is our this is basically where we do our videos right now. Also, it's downstairs. Yeah, he has a cat gun. It's downstairs. So I'm gonna show you the downstairs of my grandma's house, and if it looks funny how I'm holding it, I'm using a stand right now, which I said I would be using. I'm so sorry for the darkness. So this is our downstairs. Well, not mine. That's my papa. Say hi. So yeah.
Show my bike.
Oh yeah. This is a lucky thing. He got a new bike.
And I got a whole Pokemon set.
He gets a new bike for Christmas, but I don't.
I got a Pokemon set.
Hey, where's your toy minigun, dude?
I have no idea. I think my dad.
Yeah, he got a toy minigun, which I'm very jealous about. I really wanted that. And sorry for all the motion.
Here, I'll show you everything I got in the Pokemon set.
There's my grandmother right now. So
Yeah, Pokemon stickers.
He gets Pokemon. I'm not a big Pokemon fan.
I got a notepad.
This is my new blanket right here. I call it Softy.
Pencils.
There's my annoying dog, Satin.
She's very annoying.
Look how. She's like, come on, just leave me out of it.
The Pokemon cards.
I'll be doing a vlog for here and at home. So yeah, as you can see right now, it's very cold outside. It is.
I'm only wearing shorts.
And it's after Christmas, and I'm fully dressed right now. So yeah,
I'm still probably in my PJs. I sort my shorts first.
yeah, we both sleep in shorts.
Sometimes I sleep in my undershorts. Don't judge me.
Did I bring my soda down?
No, you didn't.
Oh, I
I'm not
finished.
going to.
No,
Okay.
I already finished my soda. I just remembered.
You don't wear my toy anymore.
It's in your dad's room somewhere. Yeah.
I think it's my toy box.
No, because it'd break. Your dad is, it's gonna break me in there. So yeah, this is my uncle's room. Yep. I don't see it anywhere. And your dad did something with it, so not showing his complete room. But yeah, so this will probably be the only time you'll be able to see my face, which is when I'll be making vlogs. I just want to say Merry Vlogmas.
Yesterday.
Yeah, we should have.
Oh, I'm gonna show you another one of my Christmas presents.
Yeah, he got a phone. A phone
My mom
for
wanted
Christmas.
Me to be able to call her. My mom wanted me to call her. I'm gonna try that right now.
So yeah.
I'm gonna say something real quick. If you guys have fall shelter, this is a must. Download
Get
Pimp
Pimp
My
My.
Vault.
Yeah, exactly.
It's technically cheats. I'll show you it right now. Isaiah downloaded it for me. I had nothing. I had no idea. No, that's fudge. It's peanut butter fudge.
Oh.
Yeah, my grandma makes awesome things. See? Let's put my vault. It's loading up right now. It'll say it's not working. Don't exit out because it actually is. You go to your slot, and then look, you can just like Nuka. I can change that. I usually go for 999.
Sorry if you can hear the sound.
You can you can add more dwellers, and like you can bring the mayor in. It's awesome. And I'll show you my vault, so what I have so far. I was gonna show you in the gaming video, but I didn't.
Also, this cup I'm using right now, this lid will pop, so I have to basically keep it open. Just pick it in my key.
Oh, here it is. Fall down shelter.
Yeah.
I'll show you my vault. And I just downloaded this last night. like right before I went to bed. It takes a minute to load up.
Takes more than a minute.
Yeah. For my phone,
I'll be
it's
making
different.
Fallout 4 videos as well, but until then, right now I'm making bully videos, and basically,
Make Fallout 4 videos.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna make.
Oh, where'd you put my gun? Oh no, I wasn't ready. I was just.
And it's so good. So yeah, this is my grandmother's
I got VR goggles.
virtual reality, right?
Yeah, but I need a bigger phone or a tablet.
He needs my phone, correct?
Yeah, he still lets me use it.
This is all the stuff he had for Christmas.
I got
My
Pikachu
stuff is in my. I got like, I'll make a video when I get home. A big speaker. So yeah.
I'm a zombie and I see very closely. Are you that close?
No.
You look
There
so
you
close.
go.
You look so close.
So you guys. So there you have it. My first vlog ever.
You all look so close. I feel like I'm
Just
touching you right now.
look at those eyes.
Boom.
Look at him. He
I
looks so
can't even
freaky.
see my own eyes.
For those who will say, for those who say in the comments, you're not old enough to make videos. I'm 13, and I got the A-OK from my parents. What are you
I'm
doing?
not 16, but I'm allowed to be in YouTube videos. I just can't make my own yet.
What are you doing?
I don't know, having fun.
Look at this kid. VR on his head and a remote control car.
I'm gonna try. This actually looks like I'm drunk right now.
Oh, jeez.
Where am I?
My grandma and
Oh my
grandpa.
gosh, look so close. I feel drunk right now.
Actually, this is her first time being in a YouTube video. No. This is my grandma and grandpa's messy computer room. Sorry. Messy computer room. Big mess. I do not make videos here, because I honestly do not know how to use these to make videos. Even if I do that, I try to. So yeah, this is my grandparents' messy computer room. Oh, man. And then this is their bedroom, the master bedroom. The ones upstairs are my cousins.
Look, I got Pikachu socks. Pika socks.
Excuse me, Pikachu socks. So, as you can tell, we are having a wonderful, a wonderful
It feels so good
time.
on my head.
Huh?
It feels so good on my head.
He's,
And I got this really shirty.
he's crazy.
$40
Yeah, you act crazy. You act clown.
I didn't really need to do that. It smells fresh.
He does. Only if you could have. No. Oh, you got my phone.
Oh, got my eyes. Never do clone walkthroughs. I'm like that. Oh, right my eyes.
He got my phone too. He didn't miss.
Oh, look at my new snow boots.
Oh yeah, he got snow boots.
And I got a whole tool set for my arthritis. I love it.
Hey, Papa, can I open the front door?
$200. Just real quick.
May I open the front door?
Just real quick. We're not going to keep it open. I got a lot of things that I love. And I got Monopoly.
Thank you.
I want to use my tool set.
For those who didn't hear what he said I could go ahead. Holy shoot! Look at that. Look at it. It's very, very wet out. Very wet.
I love my life. Yep.
My uncle's back.
No, I have to do it on my head now.
Yep. Hello. So, I'm gonna go explore downstairs as well with you guys. So there's still. Oh, yep. So this is their basement. They're gonna repaint it and stuff. Sorry if you can't see my face. Oh, that's right. Hold on. That's it. Sorry if you couldn't see my face over there. It's because one of the light switches are stuck. And I mean literally stuck, so I have to use like this to just, start the light up. So, this is my uncle's. Yeah, my uncle's. That's my cousin's. I'll show you in a minute. Sorry for the darkness. I mean, I don't even like it in the basement, but I like my grandma. in Grandpa's. There you go. More like. You did?
Yep.
Good. This thing is flipping huge.
It hurts too.
Look at it. Look at the size of it.
It's battery operated. That thing
Now
hurts.
I'm gonna let my cousin show you the rest. Look.
It hurts.
Look how huge this thing is.
It hurts too. It's battery operated.
It does. I was told.
It shoots 40 balls. Dude, I got shot in the hand with it. That hurt. You have a really cool pose. Like.
Oh wait. I'm sorry, people. I failed you here. Let's just this people. I don't know any good poses with a minigun.
For Christmas. I do.
I don't. His dad was in the Marines, so he can do it better.
My stepdad.
Well, yeah, step. So basically, my uncle is his real dad, and his step.
Your uncle was alive. My stepdad.
So there's his bike, his mini bike, and that's his father's.
My dad's is naked right now. Mine's got clothes on.
Would you care to tell him about yours?
Mine has the same exact motor as my dad's, except my dad's way faster. But I still love mine. It's not.
He said he was gonna get this painted up as well too, right?
Maybe. You know how my dad's blue in the front, purple in the back?
Yeah. If you didn't get to see that, I'll show you a better view. See?
It looks brown on the camera. Oh, yeah. Look what we found in the field. We're just gonna clear coat it. We're gonna hang it up.
Yep.
I'll show my dad's motor. That's my dad's.
Oh yeah. There it is.
It's got a header on it. He's getting a new kit, and he's gonna have a different header.
Sorry for all the camera moving, but I'm walking around holding it, and there we go again. Where you going? What are you doing? Oh shoot! Duck and cover.
Hey, don't worry, it doesn't have batteries in it.
Yeah, this thing is battery operated.
You can feel it. It hurts.
This thing is very heavy.
Here, I'll show you what. No, I can't show you what it looks like on the inside because it doesn't have batteries in it.
Yeah.
Technically, this cloth. Here, I'll pop the lid. I have to take the belt off. Nope.
It's kind of hard too. So, this is the washer and dry
I
room.
can show them. See, there's like little claws in there, and that's what moves it. And like this, there's a hole in
I
it.
have no idea why we're doing it in the washer and dry room. Oh, because there's better lighting. Yeah, that's why. Duh.
And there's like this little thing that just poops it out.
Yeah, and it hurts. Yeah, I
When
was
it has
told it
batteries in it?
stings. I
Yes,
was
it does.
told.
Just flicks it on. It'll even when you're not holding the trigger, it'll still shoot. But when you hold the trigger, it'll go do. Yeah. Should we put batteries in it and load it up?
No.
I'm not gonna shoot you.
You better
It
not.
goes 80 feet. Should we load it up? I will get my Pikachu outside.
You do that, my friend. Oh. Oh, it's okay. It's just an ammo belt. So yeah, that's what it looks like. That's how big it is. Look how huge. I'm gonna open this. This thing is a monster. Sorry, I stuttered when I said monster, but look. Look! Also, I thought I broke it a minute ago. It was just a belt. So yeah. Also, this button does not work at all. It's a big disappointment about it. Yeah, and there's me in 2010. That was me in 2010. For those who don't know what these are for, me and my cousin had a game. It was a shooting game. Sorry. I'll just show you one of the guns. These would fill with bullets, not real ones, but like Nerf bullets, and you would shoot it. Also, now this is very. What is going on? Oh, maybe. I was trying to take it off. So yeah. All I know, it's not broke.
Did you break anything yet?
No.
Good.
It sounded like it when I set it down, but it's because when this hit it slid and it went don't. So still.
I really want to load this up with batteries.
I know. He's been saying that.
We can. There's nothing stopping us.
Your dad.
No, he wants me to.
So for those who don't know, it's a minigun, and I am jealous of him because I really want it. We're going back in the basement. We're just gonna do
Yeah, I'm gonna load it up. And I got a new screwdriver, so.
Also, do not shoot me, please.
I won't shoot you. I'll shoot things.
Don't shoot things. A better way to identify it. I'm gonna shoot things.
Now I'm not gonna shoot you properly.
He said I'm gonna shoot things. not you. So, yeah, basically just my grandmother's house, the kitchen. Where did I set my soda?
This is my tool set, by the way. I got a whole bunch of tools for Christmas.
Yeah, I'm kind of confused. Why would a kid get a tool set for Christmas?
Because I like working with my dad.
That's why, because he loved working with his dad. Here's my soda.
I'm not going to shoot it. I'll show everybody how hard it is. It goes up to 80 feet, and it holds 40 bullets at once. And it's just rapid fire.
Mm-hmm.
Not do.
You don't have to cock it. You can just shoot. Bam. So, yeah. Basically, this is going to be my first ever vlog that I'm making right now. Just to know who I am and what we did for Christmas. My mom. Have you ever heard of the brain games? If you have, put that in the comments. But my brain was tricked into thinking that this kid kind of wine. It looks just like wine, but it's actually soda, or not soda, juice type. I don't remember what it is because I drank the last of it last night, and they tricked me into thinking I was, kind of like drunk, like those out of my mind. And well, it sort of worked until Mom told me it isn't actual alcohol in it. I actually thought there was alcohol in it, and there is. I'm sorry, if you want me to do this in another room, I'll do it in my next vlog, which will be not too long. I mean, it might be, I don't know. Sorry, I'm very thirsty right now. Also, if you've seen my first video, if whoever's seen it and liked it, thank you so much for whoever, Josh guy, I think it was. Did you hear that? I heard something. Hey, T! Did you just shoot that thing?
Yep.
You did? There you go. Did you hear it?
Thing's loud. And yes, I'm a country boy, so that's.
How do you shoot this? Like, where's the bullets?
There was a bag up there. Will you grab it for me?
We searched for it over here. Sorry.
Oh, maybe it's over here. Here it is.
I want to see the bullet. Show the people the bullets.
They're just ordinary green bullets.
Ordinary?
Ordinary.
Hey, we'll be taking turns shooting this, right?
Oh yeah.
Good.
As long as you promise not to break it.
I won't. Come on. So, yeah, basically, this thing is a beast to have fun with.
I'll shoot you in the hand and I'll let you shoot me in the hand.
No.
Fine, I'll just let you shoot me in the hand.
No.
Yes, you can.
I don't want to hurt.
I got a good shot with it. Okay, you take this downstairs and I'll reload it.
I'll get it set up down there. So, yeah, I'm walking with the monstrous that I can't speak today. And what's the word I'm trying to say? Monstrous?
Monstrous.
Yeah, that. Monstrous. Like,
I'll say it for now.
I'm sorry, I cannot speak today. But I'm walking with the big minigun down to the basement. We're going to load this thing up. And we're going to fire this thing. Show you. That's how freaky it is. It sounds like a freaking tornado siren. If you notice, it sounds like a tornado siren. No. You don't want to know what it looks like? It's a sentry gun. It's a sentry gun. It's shooting on its own. I just now thought of that. A sentry gun. Huh. I'm going to need to find some for a target. Shoot. Let's see. You know what? Heck. Don't shoot my face. not my actual face. My picture I showed you a minute ago. No, it will not. Let's see. Alright, here. Is it. So I'm going to get shot at the actual me. So. Alright, so perfect. know what? I'm gonna set my camera down for this. So, dude, just imagine shooting this right now. Standing, or laying. Sorry for that gasp. But I got perfect idea. Sorry. Let's go see what he's doing and how he loads it up. Look at this. Look at him. Of how he loads it. Can I carry it around my chest?
Yeah, I don't care. As long as it makes you look. As long as it makes
Also, I got a target for you to shoot.
Oh, you got a target?
It's not an actual. Look at. I feel like a military troop.
Hey, you might get a lot of girls off that.
Ha! You have one sticky bullet on it. So let's head downstairs and let's get this started. So for those who don't know what this is, don't even remember the Enforcer, I think it is. Alright, look at this. Look at all these. Oh, something fell out. Well, it came out. Alright. So now that we have this entire thing loaded, there we go, it's all loaded up. Oh shoot. So there's your target, me, from 2010. That's rude.
Isn't that kind of offensive to you?
No, I don't really care. Because it's not the actual me, it's the me from 2010.
The liar you.
Huh?
So the liar you. Okay, let's get the stick. Nah, I'm shooting first.
Alright, let's get ready. And look at that! Look at that! Did you see that, guys? I wish I had slow motion. Alright, let me get a shot. Let me get some shots, dude.
Okay, go over there. I'm not gonna shoot you. Just stay away from, go by my neck and shoot your head.
Look at that! Dude! That thing can rip through anything! Second round, Lee. You're all out. Oh, wait, no, you got a bullet left. Stuck.
Oh, no, that's not a bullet. That's the weight. Look at that.
Oh. So, this will be my chance now.
You're reloading this time. I did last time.
Oh.
You don't have to put them all in. Look at all that, guys. Look at it. That's marvelous.
I need your help reloading.
Oh, yeah. It's my tiger that Mrs. Ruba gave me. Why is this down here?
Yeah, I'm gonna need
I act like a 5-year-old. No, take the belt off. It's easier.
I sort of can't.
I can. Here. Oh, you hold the camera and I'll take the belt off.
My camera's gonna need to be charged soon. Yeah, it's dying. My battery dies real quickly, so. What did I just step on? So, you see all these bullets? Jesus. This is a lot of bullets just to get from one. I'll toss it. You.
Almost had it too. Oh, I did have a bullet left.
Here.
There we go. So much easier to hold it. I wish I could show you what we're holding it on. Okay, like I said, this is my dad's. He's had so many changes of jets and stuff. It's a beauty. Look at that header, though. It's loud, too. It's not one of those little stupid, retarded, quiet ones. It's loud. And this is the helmet I wear every time I go riding.
It's going to take a while.
This one's mine. Pretty slow.
It is.
Yeah, it goes 45, actually. Pretty fast for me. Oh, why'd you leave the dryer open again?
That's been open. Hey, T-Love.
What's up?
Did you go get some more bullets from where you shot me picture?
Yep. There's a whole bunch over by my mini bike.
It is?
Yeah, a whole bunch of them.
Oh, yeah.
Where are they? Oh, I see a couple. Here, you load up. You don't need to load the whole entire gun up. Just load a couple.
I actually kind of want to.
You want to?
Yeah, I do.
I wish we had a target.
Oh,
my helmet.
This was supposed to
My helmet.
come with one, wasn't it?
My helmet. See if you can shoot in my helmet. Ooh, should I mount the camera like right here?
Dude,
No, you'd shoot it. Yes, by the way, we have horrible aims because we're not really gun agents, but we do our best, right?
Yeah, we're trying. We're still trying.
I'm actually really good with loading and like using a gun, but I suck at aiming. I have a sniper. It's not a real sniper rifle. It's not a toy one either. It's a pellet gun. Really? There's a couple over there. Don't knock my mini bike over, dude. That's very, very.
Yeah, I know.
Look at my dad's stand compared to mine. Look how my dad's is compared to. Compare those. Which one's better?
I think they're both good.
I think my dad's better. Cause look at his. It's like his can hold tools. He spray painted his. Mine is garbage. Mine is and his is. Mine is. You can say my real name. I'm not scared. The only person that knows me on this vlog is the kid that lives down the street. Kamari. He's very rude.
Alright, let's not say anybody's names.
Okay. Everybody knows his name if he saw his YouTube channel. YouTube? Why does it say it like that?
Other people say it different ways.
I know this is kind of early for a shout out, but may I give just one? I want to give a shout out to the Diamond Minecart, like my favorite YouTuber ever.
Our favorite YouTuber?
Yes. He used to love Jacksepticeye. Now it's like weird.
You got 3 bullets missing.
There's 2 over here.
There's 2?
Yeah, here, hold the camera so I can get my hands are sweating so much right now. I'm so nervous. I'll let you shoot me a couple of times.
Dude.
From far away, it's not going to hurt as much.
I might have to end my video really early because my phone is about to die.
Yeah, then maybe later on today we'll charge this phone up and then we'll make a video called Shooting Time. Or just a video that we shoot each other with.
So
I'm not going to shoot you, but I'll let you shoot
where are the other ones, dude?
Oh, here's one.
There's another one?
Yep.
Ooh, did you see the way it did to my picture? Didn't do anything. I don't care about my scooter, but I do care about my minigun.
And my phone.
Oh.
I
Yeah.
tripped on it the other day.
Really?
The funny thing, I was leaning towards the side that my phone was on.
So, yeah, again, we are going to be ripping up some pictures or something like that.
He doesn't like his 2010 picture. He thinks his teeth are too buck.
Look at the way my mouth is. Terrible. Also, you can't really quite see it that well.
Well, you can just tell he's got buck teeth. By the way, guys, this is not my fault. My voice sounds different on camera. It sounds horrible on camera, actually.
I don't even think they'll notice it.
Oh, yeah, I'll notice. Check out my YouTube channel. You'll hate it.
All right.
Especially I'm so cute. So...
All right.
Turn that baby on and go shoot. Here, I'll let you shoot me.
No. I'm going to sit for this. All right. Who's ready to see some action? All right, move it over this way. I'm going to shoot that from over here. Ready, set. What the heck?
Pull the trigger.
I am.
Oh, I see. The claws are moving.
And neither is the bullet. The bullet.
Oh, that's why.
What is it?
The bullet's jammed because it didn't stick in far enough.
Oops, my bad. Yeah, see, this is just like a real life gun. Bullets get jammed.
But this one isn't jammed. Yeah, we have to take it.
Alright, first we're going to have to take this off.
The life of having a gun is very, very not very fun. I made a stupid face on purpose, by the way. My hair is all messed up.
Sorry for that sound.
I probably shouldn't be doing this because I'm like a teenager. My turtleneck is just so cool.
What the heck? Oh! Alright. Can we do it without this on?
No.
Huh?
Because then the belt won't move on the bottom.
Oh yeah, forget. I'm sorry. So, yeah.
I just spent like a minute looking at myself in the phone. I feel like a teenager. I'm a preteen.
You look so cool, dude. Who's the actual teenager in this family?
You.
Alright. Ready? Whoa, what the heck? I'm not even aiming. Oh, there we go. Not going sideways.
That's a lot, dude.
Minigun action.
Oh, they hit my foot. Don't shoot the window. Don't shoot the window. It'll break it.
Minigun thing on action. No, I think I'm out. Yeah, I think I'm out.
That's what I call.
Try holding it like this and shooting it. Oh!
One just shot at my nuts.
Sorry.
That's fine. Painful, but it's fun. It's painful.
And there we go, guys.
It's not
sorry.
your camera.
So I'm gonna have to end it right here.
We
and
will do another video later on today if you choose for that to happen.
So we will
I'll
see
let
you.
shoot me a bunch of times.
Nah, fun.
You can.
I might.
Yeah,
I'm not sure.
shoot me.
And I will see you in my next video.
We'll even put up targets.
Alright.